All Recipes member Lil says she was inspired to create this roast chicken with rosemary while traveling in Italy. She smelled the scrumptious aroma of roast chicken at an open-air market and decided to recreate it. She says she roasts her turkeys the same way. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Next, quarter 1 onion and chop a quarter cup of fresh rosemary. If you like, you can rub the skin of the chicken with a little olive oil first, or you can leave it plain. Either way, season the chicken with salt and pepper to taste. Season all sides of the bird. Next, stuff the cavity of the chicken with onion and rosemary. Several All Recipes members suggest adding some crushed garlic and cut up lemon to the cavity as well. Cross the legs and tie them together with kitchen string to keep them from flopping apart during roasting. Fold the wingtips under the breast to keep them from burning. Place the chicken in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish, breast side up. Roast it in the preheated oven for 2 to 2.5 hours, or until it's cooked through and the juices run clear, or a thermometer reads an internal temperature of 165 degrees. If you want to fill out your meal, add some cut up carrots and potatoes to the roasting pan next to the chicken during the last hour of cooking. All Recipes member Destiny says, make sure you let the roast chicken and rosemary rest for 10 to 15 minutes before carving, or you'll lose the juices when carving it.